So I'm sitting here trying to see if this thing's working or not, and it's pretty funny. All I see is people kerchunking 91, and I don't ever say anything because they have to hear it. So they might be connected to a local repeater, but I'm just trying to see what this thing will do. This one here, it's like it doesn't show anything when there's nothing happening, and I've only got it programmed to 91. So if they don't key it up long enough, I'm not going to see anything. But I think there might be a total problem with it. But since I haven't heard anything on there in a few minutes, all I keep seeing is all these people. 2 or 3 seconds. And then just over and over and over and over and over. Same thing. North America had a little activity on it. Maybe I'll click on 92. I'm trying to find some other talk groups also that are more active. TAC 310. I don't remember what the story with TAC 310 was, but there was just like a whole bunch of people. Not a calling frequency. I don't know what it says. So what are you supposed to do? Not use it at all? Or you only go to TAC 310 if you're having a conversation? I don't know what they were like. What they wanted to do. They wanted something to be different. Anyway, we see all this activity, but it's all a whole lot of kerchunking. I've got 91, 92, TAC 310. Which we try the DCI bridge.
I got to writing stuff down, and it didn't look up at the dashboard at all to get any numbers.
3100 is usually pretty busy.
How about it? Can I come back?
Somebody actually looks like they might be keying up 91, but I don't hear anything. They have 14 seconds.
Yeah, this is KE8 ZGB Kilo Echo 8 Zulu Golf Victor Mobile in Big Rapids, Michigan.
Okay. 91's keyed up, but I don't hear anything. There was like no...
You're using an Anytone... what is it? Probably one of the 878 series with I guess a hotspot in your mobile?
Somebody's keying up 91, but there's no sound. It's really strange.
Yes, I'm using 878 UV2 Plus and a Skybridge Mac.
So I need to get rid of 3100 because I don't want to listen to it.
Roger, Brian. That's really making the trip nicely. I never put mine in the car yet. I have the same system.
I can't remember how you get rid of it.
I have the 878 UV2 Plus and the Skybridge Max and every.
Okay,
so I'll refresh it.
The password or anything in on my hotspot, but I do have a Brandmeister account, and I did put that in there.
Okay.
So obviously
we're on 91.
So
our hotspot's not working.
It took me a week to figure mine out. Over.
I think what's happening is Brandmeister is actually blocking my hotspot because I have 2 different ones, and they don't like it when you have more than one hotspot with the same password or something like that. I don't know what the story is on that, but this one's on TGIF. Okay, this one's supposed to be on Brandmeister. Everything shows that it's good. Okay. But it's not. So we need to figure out why. So let's see here. We have... what would this DMR dump TDR data? Okay, let's just go ahead and We'll close it, let it reboot. We're on 431 150, and
ZL3KTM.
I've got the same
I guess I'm going to be
DMR
on
number.
73, and hopefully we'll talk again. KJ5FLL. I'll be back to monitoring the 91 program.
I could just sit here and listen to 91 on the damn computer, to be honest with you guys. Like, just put it on hose line. I mean, like, why would I, I'm not talking on here. It's a whole lot of crap just to listen to it on the radio. And it sounds better on the computer anyway. So, I just can't get it to work. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm going to guess that Brandmeister's probably blocking me, but I might be wrong. They've blocked me before. They've even blocked me to where I made a comment to somebody and they were getting out of control. And yeah, see, now I reboot it and it comes up. And I should be able to hear it. So all I did was switch radios. I switched to the TYT over to this one. And the screen goes blank. And when it goes blank, I don't know what's happening. But we can see 3211863 was on there. And okay, so now we got J. But we don't hear anything.
Mike 7, Oscar Charlie, on the channel.
My radio is slower than the hose line.
Mike 7, Oscar Charlie, Kilo, Kilo 1, Juliet, Tango, QSL.
Alright, so that is working. But if I key it up, it will not work.
Kilo 1, Juliet, Tango, Mike 7, Oscar Charlie, Kilo, returning. Today to you as well. Good evening from the UK, where it's 22 minutes past 11 in the evening. How are you today?
Over.
I'm good there, Craig. I'm good. I'm just playing on the computer here in the kitchen, and I've got you up on QRZ.com. Just with my logbook there. All good and well. I got the Dominican Republic earlier on today, and that made my 103rd country. So that was pretty cool. So I'm slowly getting there. Alright, 73. I won't hold it on this one. Pass it over to you for a
You notice
while.
the way people talk, they use groups of words and then pause, and then groups of words and then pause. It's really obvious.
Okay. Everyone likes to be on computer.
So I got that programmed in there.
Nowadays, but yeah. Well, anyway, as I said, I'm going to bed in a second, so I will give you a safe 73, and I'll catch you again down the line. Take care. Right, 7 Oscar Charlie, Kilo.
So as soon as I key it up, it shuts itself down and it doesn't work anymore. I've never got this to work ever. I didn't realize that it didn't work. I just had it receiving, thought it worked fine. I didn't realize when you transmit, it quits working. So I'm not sure. Maybe there's something wrong with the Pi, but I doubt it. It's probably the hat. And it might have bought a bad hotspot, actually. But we're going to have to try a couple of different things. But one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to get away from this Pi Star dashboard. I don't want to deal with it anymore.